Welcome to Auto Motors, your go-to channel for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2025 Royal Enfield 125cc. Royal Enfield is known for its big, thumping motorcycles, but now they've stepped into the small capacity segment. Let's explore what makes this bike special. Classic Royal Enfield DNA in a compact package. At first glance, the Royal Enfield 125cc still looks like a proper Enfield. The retro styling, round headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and minimalistic design reflect the brand's signature look. It's a perfect blend of old-school charm and modern engineering, making it a standout in the entry-level motorcycle segment. A punchy 125cc engine. Under the tank sits an all-new 125cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, designed for both efficiency and performance. With around 11-12 horsepower, the bike promises a smooth and refined ride, ideal for city commuting and light touring. The 5-speed gearbox ensures seamless gear shifts, while fuel injection guarantees optimum fuel efficiency. Expect a mileage of around 50-55 km/L, making it an economical choice for daily riders. Built for comfort and control. Despite being a 125cc, Royal Enfield has ensured a comfortable ride. The bike features a wide and well-cushioned seat, upright handlebars, and relaxed foot peg positioning. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, offering a plush ride on urban roads and mild off-road trails. Features and technology. Royal Enfield has modernized the 125cc with essential features. A semi-digital instrument cluster provides real-time riding information, while LED lighting adds a touch of modernity. The bike also includes single-channel ABS for improved safety, paired with front disc and rear drum brakes. Affordability and market positioning. The Royal Enfield 125cc is expected to be one of the most affordable Enfields ever, targeting young riders and budget-conscious buyers. It will compete with bikes like the Bajaj Pulsar 125, Honda SP 125, and TVS Raider 125. With an estimated price of 1.5 by 1.3 acre showroom, it offers a unique option for those who want Enfield's legacy in a smaller, more practical form. Final thoughts. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125cc is more than just a beginner's bike. It's a statement. It brings the legendary Enfield experience to a whole new audience, offering classic styling, a refined engine, and modern features at an affordable price. Would you consider buying this compact Royal Enfield? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to Auto Motors for more exciting updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in the world of motorcycles.